Hello, in this video we will give you instructions on how to create a Bybit account with simple guide for beginners. First, you click on the link in the description box to get a welcome reward from Bybit. Remember to click on the link in the description box to get a welcome rewards up to 30,000 US dollars from Bybit when you create a new account. Then you will see this interface. You can create an account with email address on mobile phone. I will create an account with email address, so I click on email here. Next, enter the email address here. Then enter the password into this session. Please read these requirements for password carefully. Password has to be between 8 to 30 characters and contains at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and a number. Next, you click on Get My Welcome Gifts. Then you decode the captcha here. Bybit will send a verification code to the email you used to create account, so you need to log in your email, check the inbox and get the code. This is security code email from Bybit. You can copy this code. Then you paste the code into the corresponding session. Alright, you have just created an account at bybit.com successfully. Now I will instruct you to secure your account. Click on this icon, then select account. Choose security here. Then we will complete two-factor authentication here. We have just completed login password and email authentication. Now we come to SMS authentication. Click on settings. Then you will see a set mobile phone number dialog box. Select the country or region here. Click on this one. I select +8 for Vietnam. Next, you enter mobile phone number into the session. Remember to enter the new mobile phone number without country or region code. Next, you click on Send Verification Code in this session. Bybit will send a verification code to the email you used to create account. Check the email you used to create account. This email, click on this one. Copy this code. Then paste it into the session. Click Confirm. Then, Bybit will send a verification code to your mobile phone number. Check your phone, then enter the code here. Then click Confirm. You click Confirm. Then you see we have just completed SMS authentication. Next, we go to Google two-factor authentication. Click on Settings. Bybit will send a verification code to the email you used to create the account here, so check the inbox of the email. Copy this code, then paste it into the session. Next, you will see Setup Google Two-Factor Authentication dialog box here. Follow the steps here. First, you need to download Google Authenticator application on your mobile phone. Go to App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile phone. Search for Google Authenticator and download this application. After downloading the app, you click Open here. Then click on Add a code. Click on Scan a QR code. Allow Authenticator to access your camera. Then scan this code. Then you will see this Google Authenticator code. Enter this code into Google 2FA code session here. Next, click Confirm. Then we have just completed Google Two-Factor Authentication. Next, I will instruct you to verify identity. You click on Identity Verification here. To complete identity verification standard, you need to submit a copy of your identity verification document along with a selfie that clearly shows your face. Click on Verify here. Then you will see a Verify your identity dialog box here. You select Country Reason of Issues. Click on this one. Choose your country. I select Vietnam. Next, you select one of 4 options at document type section, including ID card, passport, driver license, or residence permit. Then you can click Continue to verify identity with your PC, or click on Verify with app on your mobile phone. If you select Continue here, your PC needs to have a camera to verify your face. So I will instruct you to verify with app. Click on this one. You can scan this QR code to download the Bybit app on your mobile phone, or go to App Store or Google Play Store to search for Bybit. Then download the application. Download this application, Bybit Buy and Trade Crypto here. After downloading the app, you click Open. Then click Login Now in this interface. Next, you enter the email and password to login account. Then click Login Now. Then you decode a captcha here. Then back to the Google Authenticator application to get the Google Authenticator code. You can see here, then enter 427717. Then you will see this interface. Click on Verify Now here to verify identity. You will see your identity verification here. Then scroll down. Click on Verify a proof of identity. Then you choose Country Reason of Issues and Document Type here. I select Vietnam as Country of Issue and select ID card as the document type. Click Confirm. Allow Bybit to access your camera. Next, read the document requirements carefully here. After that, click Continue. Then select the place you are living in. I select all countries except USA. Click Continue. Then take a photo of front of your ID card. After taking photo, click on Document is readable. Similarly, take a photo of back side of your ID card. Then select Document is readable. Next, you verify your face. Now you wait for Bybit to review your proof of identity. It can take several minutes to 24 hours. Back to your account on browser. Come to identity verification. You will see it is notified standard here. This means it is reviewed successfully. Alright, we have just instructed you to create a Bybit account with simple guide for beginners, as well as secure your account and verify identity. You can subscribe our channel to get notifications of new videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.